Hi. So, yeah, it is emotional pause that is very important. It happens that sometime we keep on hurting ourselves, giving pain to ourselves with the same thing. Means suppose someone is misbehaving with you, and I am especially talking to the women. The misbehavior is for long time you are facing, and we know that that person is not going to change, and still we go through the same pain. And I want to confirm it with you. If we have not answered it at that time, we keep on answering that for that particular incident in our mind continuously, means we are engaged in it. That is self conversation, and every time the pain is there, we do not let that bruises heal up. So what we can do, first of all, we should pause. It is our fault that we are giving the same person the same chance of giving us the pain again and again. So it is time to pause, reflect on it. Sometimes it is from very close one. You can't take any strict decision. Then I think what is easy to draw boundaries over there. That is also very tough. It's not easy, and with my experience, even I could say that is very tough. So to draw boundary, it is not that you are going to avoid that uh, person. You can't avoid because he or she may be very close one. So what you could do, when you, as far as per now, you would be quite aware that from this point this person is going to repeat that same action. Avoid that particular moment. Say stop, because we are also in habit of taking that moment to that far. I'm accepting it. So what is better, what we have to practice at first, that as we know that this moment is going to arrive, we have to leave that space. Take deep breath. Your breath is your anchor. Take charge of your emotion. That is tough. Cool down and pat yourself that this time you have not let him or her to give you the same slap that he or she has been in habit of giving. And in this way, slowly, you are going to come out of it. Yeah, tough. But what I am telling you is what I am practicing. Keep in mind. Love you too. Thank you.